Discover how to safely remove a stuck dryer brush with a wire hanger.
Someone calls saying they tried to clean their vent themselves and got the brush stuck. There's a couple of reasons why the brush can get stuck. The way these work is as you feed it in, it gets threaded on like this with your drill. And then it may be common sense when it's time to bring them out to put the drill in reverse, but that will undo the thread, leaving this brush stuck, and this could be a fire hazard. Lint will get stuck, clog up your vent. You need to get this out if you got one stuck. Now, there's a couple of things you could do. Over the years, I got it down to a science. Number one is you could wait. Maybe wait a day. A lot of times there's gravity, and it may just be hanging on by the tension of the brushes. So a lot of times people call me saying they tried everything to get it out, they couldn't, and then I get there a day or two later, and I take the vent off of the dryer, and the brush is sitting right there. So maybe give it a day or two. If you can't wait, or if you already waited a little bit, here are some tips that will 100% get the brush out no matter what. First thing is, some of these brush kits will come with this. This is an auger. This is used for wet clogs. If it's a really big wet clog, this goes in and puts a hole in it, and then the clog will come out. But you could use this and send it up there with your extensions till you've reached your brush, and it may kind of grab the bristles and get it to come down. But that doesn't always work. It only works sometimes, but try that first if your kit came with one of these. Now, after trying everything for years and years, I got it down to a science, and all it takes is something that almost everyone has in their house, and that is a wire hanger. So take the wire part off of the hanger, like this, and now you're going to make it into like a corkscrew. If you could see that, let me make it a little bit better, into a corkscrew, and make sure it is going to be going in the correct direction. So make a corkscrew and make sure it's going to be going into the right direction. So what I mean by that is we're going to tape it to our brush like this. Now, when the drill is on to the right, it's going to be corkscrewing up. So this is what we want. And then this corkscrewing motion is going to grab onto the brush. So you could use duct tape, whatever tape you have lying around. You should get this if you're doing dryer vent cleaning, is dryer vent flex tape. And we're just going to tape this wire from our hanger nice and tight